Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your Microsoft account is active on every device. This ties notebooks together. Sign in now and grant Onenote permission to use cloud storage so syncing can start. Once done, open the notebook you want to sync and watch the sync icon. It signals that Onenote is uploading changes. Make sure app versions match across devices to avoid compatibility delays, and prefer a stable Wi-Fi connection for initial large uploads to prevent partial syncs. Now manage notebook-level settings to control how changes propagate. Go to Notebook Settings and check sync status to spot pending uploads or downloads. Performing a manual sync forces immediate transfer. If you need predictable behavior, use manual sync, but for seamless access, enable auto sync. When edits conflict, review the edit history and choose which version to keep. This avoids losing notes. Also, reduce notebook size by archiving old sections so future syncs are faster and more reliable. Finish by confirming that the latest timestamp and content appear on every device. Open a few pages to verify attachments and handwriting render correctly. If you changed credentials or network settings, restart the app or device to refresh tokens and connections. Make sure OneDrive storage isn't full. Lack of space blocks sync. If issues continue, sign out of OneNote, sign back in, and perform a full manual sync on the affected notebook. This commonly resolves stuck items and forces a clean reupload.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.